Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to enable or disable roaming clock on Android phone. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open settings on your device. You can see over here settings has been opened. You'll be able to find several options over here. If you're using Samsung device, you'll be able to find the option for lock screen and AOD. All you have to do is tap on it. If not, what you have to do is tap on the option display. Now you'll be led to the display interface. Over here you'll be able to access the display settings. Simply tap on the option lock screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now depending on your device you might or might not be able to find the option for roaming clock. Especially in the Samsung devices you'll be able to find the option for roaming clock. Right now I do not have roaming clock option available for me. If it is available for you, simply tap on the option roaming clock. Now you'll be able to toggle on or toggle off the button right next to the option roaming clock. So if you want to enable the roaming clock, simply toggle on the button. Likewise, if you want to disable the roaming clock, simply toggle off that button. If you have turned on the roaming clock, you'll also have to choose the country and city desired. After that, roaming clock will be enabled. Likewise, you can also disable the roaming clock by simply toggling off the button. So that is how you enable or disable roaming clock on Android phone. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.